Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to set up WSL for any needs. So WSL could be used as probably your main Linux machine, like how I have it over here. I have some apps, including over here, like I have some apps as well, like about me, like I'll show you how to do all of this. Okay, let's mute my computer audio. So first we need to do, first we have to sudo I already done that, so that's why I have two of them. Now we have to do this. I'm also going to be looking for Firefox. Okay, there it is. I don't really care too much about Firefox. It is a web browser, but I only use Firefox on Linux. So we're going to do all of this. Copy. Okay. So all you have to do is just copy all of this code. That's it. Just only this code. Just tap enter, and it'll start the process. Now, obviously, you gotta set it up earlier, so go to like the first part about it. It's all at the GitHub. Yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna mute myself, and yeah. Over here, you're gonna just tap enter. Don't worry, because I already have all of these installed. You won't get these error messages until you do it for the second time. Yeah. Now, if you head over here, where I got this, you can scroll down. Now, also another thing, you actually have to stop copying from here, because this is what you have to do. Now you have to go and type in nano. You can do sudo if you want. I didn't do sudo, so we can stop that one. Nano / etc. That's what I call it, etc. XRDP / start wm.sh. So you actually need it to look like this. You need to add these commands. This one is itself. Just copy from here. This /xing. It has to look like this. So there's a picture. Yeah, that's it. Now, when you're finished, you just put Control X. It'll give you saved thing modified butter. You just put Y and then enter and then boom, bada bing, bada boom. After that, you're gonna test the applications. Not test. You got you could test it, which is where the normal account comes in. You just type code Y. And then on my screen, on the opposite side, there should be an app popping up. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. You see that it just popped up. Here, let me move my thing. Here it is. It is really slow, but this is the visual code for anyone who wants to do this. You guys could. Now we have to do the next step. We're going to copy this, and then at your address bar, you're going to paste this. Paste. Tap enter. It should bring you over here. Now, at this area, you're going to go all the way here. Go to programs. On my screen, it's different because I have two screens. You're going to right click it. And if you're on Windows 11, just choose show more options. And then tap trade shortcut. After that, you're going to put the shortcut onto your second desktop or on your desktop. And then you're going to rename it to Ubuntu Apps. The shortcut, you're going to rename it to Ubuntu Apps. Now, we have to get the IP address. To do that, ifconfig. This is a private IP address. Scroll down. So these are the only two ports. I'm going to try the first port, which is 3389, aka no port. You get nothing. Oh. Let's try port 3390, which is the port that comes up. There it is. I added a certificate. There's a way to do it. I don't think I have it. Choose yes. Now, we're going to put it over here. Now let's log in. We're going to do root, and then I'll have my password. I'll load it in full screen. Oh, that's weird. I think something happened. I'm not sure what, but something definitely did happen. Oh, here it is. So we're going to run reload to reload the unit. Something happened. I'm not sure how that happened, although that is weird. Okay. Let's try root this time and then log in. Weird. Let's try Joshua. Actually, no, Joshua. Because this follows from my black screen. Okay, we're brought here. Not a good sign. Not a good sign for root. but that is okay. Let's try running some sort of app. Say Google Chrome. I don't think Chrome would load. Oh, Chrome does. Oh. Okay, Chrome does load. Okay, that is actually pretty neat. Chrome actually loads, which is good. Development, which is Visual Code. Let's see, does VS Code work? That is weird as well. So some apps don't actually work. You could try pushing it to your limits, but it won't work. Let's see, does Library Writer works? Okay, it does. That is good. Does GNU work? AKA GIMP. Looks like it does. That is okay. Pretty neat. So accessories, we have all these apps. Now, obviously, you could run it on your desktop, which is what I would do. Okay. So we can try pushing it to our limits by doing code. And no, it just runs here. Okay. Because some apps do route. Yeah, so I have it on my secondary display just in case something happens. Root just directly doesn't work properly, so I'm gonna lock the screen. Switch user. Okay, so it doesn't have root. That's sad. Okay, root is not an active thing. Okay. That is weird. Root does not work. Okay. Well, root does normally work. It's just probably something happened. Yes. Let's try probably now plugging in as root. It just leaves right after. Okay, so I'm gonna try working on something and probably fix it. But yeah, you could make an admin account, but I wouldn't really do that. I'd prefer keeping root as like a terminal account, but you could use your like account here. It works properly. You could also use the Ubuntu apps. Alright, load it here. You could use the Ubuntu apps that are pre-installed when you run the code. You even have Visual Studio, VLC, Transmission, which I'm not sure who would use it. But you have a lot of apps, including Google Chrome, which is one of my favorite applications. Just top notch. I love it. Yeah, so it just works like a normal computer, I guess you could say. Firefox, Ubuntu. Now let's try running Ubuntu's Firefox, which does seem to load. Okay, wait. Could I go to my... Does it have it saved? I want to make sure it saved everything. Yeah, okay, yeah. I don't want to show my Google Classroom. No. Nuh-uh. So yesterday what happened was my computer said my firewall blocked my computer. So I popped my computer into Ethernet, used WSL's Firefox, got my phone, 2FA login, and I was in my Google Classroom. Just that easy. Yeah, that's one of the things you might need WSL. Just in case if your firewall blocks you or your antivirus blocks your internet, you do have a secondary source that you could use, which is pretty neat and handy for anyone that needs it. So you have a lot of stuff that you could use for this computer. Open box configuration, mousepad, Mind. You have some game. You could also try installing like other apps, but some apps may not work. I don't know what Zutty is. Zutty seems to be either a graphical interface. No, okay, it does not want to talk to us. Okay, but our terminal here does work. cd -i. Now, sadly, it has some downfalls, like you can't control paste, which does suck, but I'm not complaining. You could do some apps like ifconfig, ping google.com, and it can ping google.com just like that. Pretty sick. If you ask me, I call this pretty sick. I don't know what Xtrim does. Oh. Okay, that was weird. Okay, so that works. It just can't read. There it goes. Sorry. Something happened there. I don't know what Xterm is. Oh, that's just a terminal. Another terminal that I installed. I don't know, but this is everything into one. You guys could try it yourself. I gotta give credits to Microsoft here. I ain't gonna lie. I wish they brought this out like really sooner. But like, what's right? Okay, yeah, something's wrong. No, it's not just me. Oh, it's because it's going here. There is a camera app that doesn't work. Like, if I actually try, I don't want it to actually like do something. No camera found. Okay, thank the Lord. No camera found. Please connect a camera device. But not gonna lie, you could use Lynix for anything. Really, it's just containment. It's like contained, and it's only for your computer. You cannot install any apps that you try plugging in from a USB. From doing that, you actually have to do this: files, other locations, Ubuntu, MNT, C drive, users. This is my like actual user account. Downloads. Yeah, you can actually do that, but that's actually a lot of time. Google Chrome does work though. I'm being honest. If you get locked down, if your internet just fully shut down on your computer, you can just use Google Chrome like me. But Google Chrome is really laggy, so I'd prefer Firefox. Not gonna lie. Anyways, for anyone that's interested on how long it took me 5 days. No joke. It took me a long time just to download everything, get all the code, scramble up into one, upload on GitHub so anyone can do it. Anyways, let me show you the Lynix thing that I was selling earlier. Desktop. Oh, no. I don't want to get anything. Ubuntu.rdp. Okay, here. There it is. So, Ubuntu.rdp. Asks me. Oh, that's weird. That is not supposed to happen. Not at all. Show more options. Properties. Change. Oh, no. Okay, yeah, I got updates to this. Desktop. Linuxity. Ubuntu. Yes, I would like to replace it. No. Bada bing, bada boom. No, I would not like to join today. That would ruin my main session. Cancel. No. Anyway, so that's all you have to do, really. It takes you about, let's see, it does say it, a few minutes, correct, to 5 hours. Happened to me at school. Yes, no joke. Just to download everything took me 5 minutes. And WSL took me 5 hours, like 5 hours. And then a few minutes, that took at home. Then an hour or so at school. I mean, we got like 100 people there. What should I be doing, bro? What am I doing? No, but like seriously, like I kind of like WSL. I think I would recommend it to anyone. Physically, this is really good. And also you can buy Lynix stuff. I'm updating Lynix, by the way, so like for the store. So you guys want to download anything from Lynix? Please help me out and please buy something. Bye.